He's the DJ. I'm the rapper. This is Two Cousins Drinking.
Today we're Two Cousins drinking Belching Beaver Peanut Butter Milk Stout.
You got through it.
Yeah. Let's try it.
Cheers.
Not carbonated. Super heavily.
Less burping?
Less burping.
Yay, less burping from Greg. Woohoo! Belching Beaver Brewery.
Belching Beaver Brewery. Belching Beaver Brewery. Belching Beaver Brewery. Peanut Butter Milk Stout.
It's funny to say the whole thing. It's just funny. This is Gregory, by the way.
This is JP. We're internet famous. The internet extends to Mars now.
We should get on that ship and be the first people to taste beer on Mars. We should start writing to NASA weekly for a very stupid, specific reason. We'll test the effects of alcohol on Mars. Answer me! Oh, we're on the first beer.
Mm-hmm.
Normally we talk about the beer or the brewery.
They're in San Diego, or thereabouts, San Diego suburbs, I believe.
Vista.
They're
Exactly 4 years old. They don't explain where they got the name or why.
No, they don't.
Maybe somebody like you, who belches a lot while drinking beer, said it has to have belching in it. It has to be funny then.
But
Belching Beaver.
They're not from Oregon, so I don't know where beaver comes from. I guess we could talk about the beer a little bit more. It's delicious.
It is delicious. They say it's like dark chocolate Reese's in a glass. I would say that is an accurate description. They say it has heavenly aromas.
Yeah, I get that.
It's like dessert. It is a good dessert beer.
I think, you know what? Nitrogen. Put a nitrogen in this stout?
We should probably throw out there before people stop watching to go to their porn. The ABV, do we want to share that information?
Do it.
You'll get it nowhere else but right here on Two Cousins Drinking. ABV is 5.3%. The IBU is 30. Blue, you're doing a good job. That was synchronized, I think. That's the first beer. Pondering this beer in between beers. I really like it. Chocolatey, peanut buttery. But would you have this with a meal? Like, this wouldn't...
No.
Would you have this with like a hamburger?
No, you wouldn't have. You would have. Would you have it with dessert? It's a better question.
Yes.
I would drink it as a dessert, but I would not drink it with a dessert. I don't think.
See, this is really good. I keep wanting to drink. I think they're trying to get children into beer. Tastes like candy. What do you think of the name Belching Beaver? Obviously, you bought it. Greg bought this. Is it too silly? A little cartoon Belching Beaver.
Too silly? I don't think so.
It's a bold choice to go silly on the company name, not just like a silly label you can get away with. The name is silly. Actually, I think they mentioned that on their website.
A bold choice.
They have to make good beers.
That's kind of pressure on the brewer. I made a crappy name.
Specifically to make sure that you make good beer. I'd like to think that's the conversation that they had. The brewer's like, yeah, I'll do whatever. I make good beer. Don't worry about it. Belching Beaver Peanut Butter Milk Stout. Belching Beaver Peanut Butter Milk Stout. It's fun to say. Try it right now, wherever you're sitting.
In 2014, they won the silver medal in the World Beer Championships. And in 2015, they won the bronze in the same World Beer Championships.
It's good beer, so they must have all been great. Oh, they put on there. Silver medal. Tiny. That's not a selling point. That is tiny writing. Marketing department of Belching Beaver Brewery.
Blue, zoom in.
The fact that you won a medal should be a little larger than this. You almost need glasses. This beer is refreshingly smooth, tasting of roasted coffee, chocolate, and peanut butter. Brewed with rolled oats and lactose, this beer has a silky smooth mouthfeel finish. Don't let the color fool you. This dark beer is easy drinking. Cheers, says Tom. Crafted to remove gluten, this product was made from a grain that contains gluten. There is currently no valid test to verify the gluten content of the fermented product. Oh, it may contain gluten. You have a little conversation there about gluten with yourself.
Question. They list many of their employees, and many of them have nicknames. If you decided you wanted to work here and they hired you, what would be your nickname?
I want them to call me Milky Stout, sort of a 70s soul singer. I'm Milky Stout. My organ... hit the subscribe button. Probably should have said that sooner. Subscribe for this. Simultaneous. My peanuts! Beer 3.
When blue comes to life.
Blue! For a stout, though, it's... I won't say it's easy drinking, but that peanut butter is heavy duty. Heavy duty. It's the third beer. Don't listen to anything I say.
The stout
This
portion
is a
of...
light summer beer on a hot day.
How much of this could you drink in one setting?
I would probably normally drink one,
Agreed.
but 2 would be acceptable. It's delicious, but it's a meal and a half.
You have wine. Dessert bottles are small and skinny. 8-ounce bottles. Nitrogen 8-ounce bottles. Double the price.
You're saying sell little dessert beers?
Little dessert beers. Likelihood of buying a 6-pack on
Yes.
the scale.
I would buy a 6-pack. I wouldn't drink it as quickly as this.
I have a little Sammy Hagar.
What have we done, Greg? What have we done?
You gotta chew it a little bit. My love of peanut butter is showing through by how much I'm still enjoying this beer.
On their website, they say to try it with a scoop of ice cream.
Shall we? How'd you do that?
I don't know.
Yeah.
It just happens.
So here we are, ice cream and beer,
As recommended by the brewery.
as recommended by the brewery.
All right, let's see if their recommendation is correct. Vanilla ice cream.
Wow. Yeah, I already reacted before you. Oh man, I need another 6-pack.
Oh, we were just discussing how heavy and filling this beer was. So what do? We add ice cream. Is that plain black coffee?
It is plain black coffee. Oh wow.
Do you recommend then adding coffee?
I do.
Or did you go too far? What celebrity, living, dead, or fictional, would you drink this beer with?
Winnie the Pooh.
Chewbacca is my choice.
Hmm.
Oh, my belly!
What type of movie? What movie would you want to watch this? Drinking this?
Watching a movie, drinking this. Willy Wonka, the original.
Pick a superhero.
Oh, a superhero for this
beer.
Beer?
Whose drink is this beer?
the creamy peanut.
Creamy peanut.
The creamy peanut is here to save the day. Like Popeye, he drinks the beer.
All right.
I'm going with the creamy peanut.
Creamy peanut.
Don't ask me what his superpowers are. That's good. As the ice cream melts,
Mm-hmm. I've been mixing it up. Mine looks like a milkshake.
that's tasty.
And this is mixed drink. This isn't. I feel like I'm drinking a mixed drink. I think that's what I was trying to say when I was trying to say, but I wasn't.
You mixed too much
I put too
ice
much.
cream in the. Like I ate the ice cream. You mixed it.
I mixed the ice cream and then I poured coffee in, and now it just tastes like a milkshake, and I don't taste any alcohol. How
Oh,
are we gonna finish this?
we're so close, Greg. We're so close. Can we do it? Any info you want to throw out about the beer before we finish?
It's delicious.
I would want to try more of their beers. Come on, dude.
I'm trying to get you through these beers. I'm doing this for you.
Would you fight off super intelligent monkeys to get a 6-pack of this? The 6 monkeys guarding it.
Do they have weapons?
No, they don't have weapons. You're walking
Just
out
me?
there right now in Crocs and sweat shorts.
Could I watch them fight someone else first?
Yes, you could see somebody else try to get the beer. You better hurry up, or they're going to get weapons.
How close is the nearest other beer?
There's no other beer. You're in a world with no beer or ATMs. It's Planet of the Apes.
Could I fight angry beavers instead?
Sure, but they got those big teeth.
Yeah, I'd fight 6 angry beavers. Blue would set a distracted to try and eat blue.
That's your technique. Push blue into the beavers, grab the beer and run. Oh, there you go. This has been Two Cousins Drinking. We like the beer. We just had too much of it.